Well, good morning, everyone. It's Donna. How are you today? So, I've just got a really quick video for my dolly sew today, or my doll sew. I made this really quick slip skirt for Ellowyne. I'll lay it down and show it to you in just a second. It's a knit, gold and black. Hold on. I made her drop her glass. But I thought it went very well with the gold and black shirt, the metallic shirt that I made the other day. And whoops, I'm just not going to worry about her martini glass right now. And I got her some new shoes. These are the Gibson Girl. Well, hold on a second. Okay, those are the Gibson Girls shoes from Facets Boutique. I got them yesterday. I ordered the black mat. I ordered a tan mat and I guess the cream, and they are gorgeous. My only complaint is these are a little bit long, but I don't know. Yesterday I had her standing up in the cream ones for a few hours. I don't know why she didn't want to today, but let me show you. I did go ahead and put the snap on the back of this top because I am actually going to keep it. The skirt, as I said, was a knit that I bought, I don't know how long ago, probably at least 25 years ago, to make myself a top to wear under suits and stuff. And I never did. But it was just a 4.5 by 6.5 inch piece of fabric that I folded over a little bit at the top and just put some elastic in, then sewed it up closed to make a slip. And since this is a knit and it doesn't fray, I just cut it straight across the bottom, and it was a simple sew. But she looks very, very stylish, and she is ready to go. And that is it for the Daily Doll Sew for Wednesday, August 27th. I didn't even know what day it was. I knew it was Wednesday. So we're getting close to Labor Day. Y'all have a good time. She's going to. And we will see you tomorrow. Bye.